How would you like 50 more shiny new subscribers by this time next week? Here's what to do. Step 1. My name is Brad J. What's going on? Comment below and let me know what's happening. It is nice to have you all here. This video is about my real life experience. I will teach you what I did and more importantly, what not to do. I expect you to watch in full and take notes or rewind and rewatch so that you can begin implementing this technique on your channel as soon as today. Just in case you are wondering, no, this is not sub for sub. Aw man, that's what I was hoping it would be. That's why I came. When you are just starting out, techniques like subscriber generating and commenting can work as a hack for the growth booster that you need to grow your channel instead of waiting for the algorithm, especially when you are in a saturated or low search volume niche. I am going to get into all of the mechanics of how to comment and what to say or what not to say, or what you should say or not say, or how to say or what not to say. I'm getting confused about everything now, what to say. Let's try that again. I'm going to get into all the mechanics of how to comment and what to say or do, and what not to say or do on your comments, which is critical. But before we dive in, it's important to first mention that these steps does not have to be done forever. It's just at the beginning of your YouTube journey. You can commit as little or as much time as you need to accomplish your subscriber goals. And I'm telling you that this technique can quickly bring you 100, 250, 500 subscribers in as little as 30 to 60 to 90 days, as it did for me in as little as just 1 hour a day on average. Can you imagine the possibilities? Second, I want to show you my analytics. As you can see here, this technique has grown my watch time from subscribers 25 to 35%. So it's not hurting my channel in any way. In fact, it's helping. Third, it is important for me to express that this technique is only one spoke in your YouTube growth wheel, and as you already know, a wheel is not strong or even functional with just one spoke. You still need to focus on your keywords for search engine optimization, your thumbnails for higher click-through rate, your audience retention for more impressions on the homepage, in search and suggested sections. Let's take a quick break and we will be right back with what to say and what not to say when you leave subscriber generated comments. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to have you here. I show new and future video creators how to grow on the platform with a new video every Sunday afternoon. Click on the red subscribe button below and tap on the bell icon to be notified of my newest trending videos, because you do not want to miss out on cutting-edge tips that can grow your channel to the next level. While you are clicking around, show the like button some love too. Now back to the video. Subscriber generating commenting is using the platform with integrity by networking and not directly asking for anything back in return or even mentioning that you are a YouTuber. As a new YouTuber, I know that y'all are most likely already watching other creators' videos and leaving comments anyway. All that I'm showing you is putting a little more thought into your comments and doing so more actively and effectively. Nah, I don't do that. I don't comment. I only watch and then I dislike. Even if you are not already commenting, it is not too late to start soon and to start today. Do a YouTube search of the types of videos from your niche and scroll through the videos with less than 100 views, which is most likely going to bring you to a small YouTuber who will appreciate you reaching out to them. The easiest way to do so is to change your filter to your videos that were uploaded in the last week or day. While in here, I also like to change my filter to videos that are less than 4 minutes. You are going to turn off autoplay and watch this video in full while taking mental notes. Then compose a 2 to 3 sentence subscriber generated comment which is thoughtful, inspirational, positive, and something specific about the video, like a biggest takeaway or an aha moment, which will let the creator know that you honestly enjoyed watching their entire video and their gratefulness will pay you back in dividends. Good comments that are selfless get more interaction, so they naturally flow to the top, and your one-time investment in that comment will do the work. Okay, yes, your one-time time investment in that comment will do the work for you for years to come on that video. You may begin composing your comment as the video is playing, but do not submit until at least 80% of the video has elapsed. You may also comment on other comments, but not more than 20%. So if there are a total of 10 total comments, do not reply on more than 2 of the other comments. Yo, I don't like any of the videos that are on YouTube. If you do not like the video or cannot think of anything kind to say, then don't. A genuine comment holds more value than a meaningless one. You should follow my recommendations to the letter, because if you leave a one-sentence or one-word comment and the creator or other readers may not be intrigued enough to visit your channel, if you submit your comment and only 1 minute has went by on a 10-minute video, for example, I do not want your comment to get marked as spam or your comment gets removed by the platform. If you reply on each and every comment in that video and not limit yourself to just 20%, or if your comments look like it was copy and paste, the algorithm will definitely mark your IP address as a bot and flush out all of your comments from the entire platform history eventually. If you do not watch the entire video in full, come on, that's just bad karma. You want people to watch your video in full, right? So it starts with you watching other YouTube videos in full too. That's why I suggested filtering for shorter videos. This is the utmost importance. Are you listening? You do not want to pump these comments out like a machine. Just work on this for 5 or 10 minutes at a time. No more than 6 times a day spaced out. Alternatively, you may do a YouTube search for 25 subscribers and change the filter to channels to bring you to the new channels and fully watch one of the most recently shortest videos. Since these new channels aren't getting much comments and exposure, they will be more likely to be forever grateful and in return, likely subscribe to your channel and eat up your videos. Sincerely interacting with other creators will help you grow so much to feel like you are part of a community. Here's my pro tip for you guys. Create a 30 or 60-second channel trailer so that when these eyeballs and ears visits your channel, they will quickly know who you are, what you are doing, and why you are on YouTube. What are the growth spokes of your YouTube wheel, which we all need to focus on the most? Tap on the following card or look for the link in the description for this must-see playlist next. Want to see what's going on with me in my personal life? Follow me on IG. The link is in the description, where I post and upload at least once a week. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video and in the comments. Love your journey and always have fun.